Hello fellow riders, today I received my Viaterra Element Tailbag. It is delivered by delivery and it comes in this packing with the Viaterra branding. Let me open it and show it to you what's inside. So here it is, the bag. I just opened the packing. This is the Viaterra tag with the Viaterra price Element V2 price MRP 2699. Looks pretty good in terms of quality and sturdiness. On the left pocket, let's open it and see what's there inside. Yeah, these are the things to carry the Viaterra bag. Clip it here onto these two and you can mount it on the bike. I guess so. We'll do it when I really mount it on the bike. So this is the rain cover on the one side of the pocket. This came this side of the pocket, and if you lift it you have this as well. I guess they're also meant for, these are meant for mounting the bag to the bike. We'll do it a little later. And then this is to hold it. Pretty comfortable to hold it like this. And then you open this bag. And this is pretty decent space, I guess. Once you open it, this is pretty decent space. Very nice. You have the mesh pocket here to keep all your documents and other basic stuff, which will be safe, I'm sure, I guess. There is no internal pockets here. It's just the stuff. It looks nice. Let's mount it on the bike. So along with the bag, got this mounting instruction single sheet page. Looks very easy to mount on the bike. Let's see. Okay, so this strap on the left pocket which they are given is basically to hang your bag on your shoulder. It's pretty easy to tie it like this, and the other end again easily. Just press this, clip it, and you're good to go. Carry the bag like this. So I'm in this beautiful city of Hampi. I rode here yesterday, and this is the Viaterra bag which I packed all my stuff in. If you see here, they have a beautiful key lock or hanging thing. I have small cables and other medicine stuff here. On the side pocket, I've got belt, I've got chain wax, I've got puncture kit, I've got a bungee cord, a duster. Here I've got all my, on the left, my ORS, my biscuits and some other eatable stuffs. So, and it can pack a little bit more. This side is almost full. And imagine what comes here. My shoe, my chappal, and all this stuff which is around. All this. So it's enough for 3-4 days of packing. Yeah, not my mobile. So yes, all this comes into this very easily, and I think this bag is good enough for 3 to 4 nights and 5 days stuff. And when I came from Bangalore to Hampi, it was quite stable, didn't move an inch. So here it is, I'm back home, and this bag is where it is. No movement, absolutely steady throughout the journey, and you can put extra stuff through this elastic jacket. Wonderful bag, I loved it.